Shalom everyone, I hope you're doing amazing wherever you are. I wanted to wish you a good Erev Shabbat Kodesh. This Shabbat is a very important and powerful Shabbat because it's the Shabbat before Rosh Chodesh Elul. Sunday and Monday is Rosh Chodesh Elul, and the Shabbat before that affects the entire week, as the Zohar says, Kulu Yamin Mitbarchin Mineh. Whatever you do on Shabbat, it blesses the days that preceding it, which means it will bless Sunday and Monday, which is Rosh Chodesh. Rosh Chodesh Elul is probably one of the most important days on the calendar, where you can start a completely new path of your tshuva to prepare the whole month of Elul for the coming of Rosh Hashanah and the new year. So I want to invite you both Sunday and Monday. I'm going to have two big events here in beautiful Miami, as you can see. Sunday and Monday, two events for Rosh Chodesh. Both are going to be amazing. On Sunday is going to be the introduction and the preparation of the concept of Rosh Chodesh Elul, where I'm going to talk about amazing things that probably you never heard or learned, which will change your Elul experience completely. And Monday, which is Aleph Elul, we're starting a journey of the whole month of Elul, where we're going to do a lot of amazing things. Kind of similar to what we did a few years ago with the Elul Tshuva Boot Camp. We're going to do something similar, where I'm going to be posting daily videos, and we're going to go on a very special journey of the whole month of Elul, so we can come prepared and ready for Rosh Hashanah and be blessed the next year with everything that you need. And this is going to be a completely different experience. So I highly recommend to you all, of course, if you're local, come to the local events, and if you're not, then we're going to be broadcasting both of these events, which of course later on there will be posted on my YouTube. But you want to see it live because you want to start the moment you hear it and not 3 days later. So I highly recommend to tune in to the YouTube channel, to atzmut.com, where we're going to be broadcasting it live on Sunday. I'm in Miami, so it's going to be 8 p.m. Eastern time, wherever you are in the world. And for more information, just follow the links underneath this video, wherever you see it, YouTube or WhatsApp. Follow the links for the to the website pages of these lectures, where you'll find all the information and how to log into the live lecture. But don't miss it out, because this is really time sensitive. You want to start on the first day of Elul. Everything that we're going to talk about, everything we're going to learn, it's going to be amazing. I can't wait to see you in person and on the live call. Till then, have a wonderful, beautiful, safe Shabbat wherever you are. I bless you to have an amazing Shabbat, amazing Rosh Chodesh, and an amazing new coming year. But it all depends on you, what you're willing to give. So I'll see you on Monday. Please share this video. And Bezrat Hashem, have a wonderful Shabbat.